Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Oyediri says his prosperity government will continue to implement policies and programs designed to promote the welfare of the people. The governor made a pledge recently in Yenagoa during the graduation of some 366 youths who benefited from the 2021 and 2022 economic empowerment training organized by the Bayelsa State Government in line with the Goal 1 of the Sustainable Development Goals.
As part of efforts to achieve Goal 1 of the Sustainable Development Goals, which seeks to end global poverty by the year 2030, the Bayelsa State Government few months back commenced an economic empowerment program for youths across 8 local government areas of the state. On completion of the empowerment program, some 366 youths had been trained in diverse vocations to acquire requisite skills for self-employment. Speaking at the colorful graduation ceremony, Senator Oyediri noted that the skills acquisition training program, which is implemented with counterpart funding, would have been organized much earlier but for delayed remittance of funds by the federal government. After a long wait, as the governor explained, the government of Bayelsa State had to single-handedly fund the program, which is expected to promote balanced development in the state.
We can build all the roads, but if we don't build the human capacity, where will you have human beings to go and buy cars to drive on the roads? And we are more like a civil service state, where everybody wants to come into government. Now we are trying to show you the other side. We want to move away from being a civil service state to a people who will have skills, who will have hard work, and that is what is sellable all over the world.
Governor Oyediri urged the graduates to apply the skills they have acquired, not just for their own benefit, but to positively affect the lives of others.
You are pioneers of the SDGs program in this prosperity government. And you have to affect not only yourselves and your families, you have to affect others. That is when you would have actually taken prosperity in our state and shared it with others.
Excited beneficiaries of the Skills Acquisition Training Program describe it as a practical demonstration of good governance under the prosperity government of Senator Oyediri.
I want to let every Bayelsan out there to feel that the prosperity as clamored by the Bayelsa State Government is indeed for real, and it has come to stay.
The Bayelsa State Government is currently exploring other avenues to provide vocational training for youths, one of which is the building of 8 technical colleges across the state. The idea is to promote entrepreneurship and reduce unemployment as well as poverty and insecurity in the state.
Inside the Niger Delta,